InterswitchSPAK is an IntersWitch Switch a Future initiative.
My name is Crisanto Soeba Gekano from Gekano Boys, Nyamira County.
My name is Joseph Ondari. I'm from St. Paul's Gekano High School, Nyamira County.
My name is Tebi Sebastian from Vialo Secondary School in Viga County.
My name is Margaret Otieno. I'm from Kisumu Girls High School.
My name is Bridget Osumba from Asumbi Girls High School.
My name is Jonathan Renye from Gracelad Boys Senior School.
According to Todd Park, today's advanced STEM graduate could be tomorrow's world-class, world-changing scientist. On this show, we say our Sparksters will be tomorrow's world-class, world-changing scientists. Let's take a ride on the show. Welcome to InterswitchSPAK Kenya 2.0. Hello there, welcome once again to InterswitchSPAK Kenya 2.0, the show where brilliant Sparksters are discovered, nurtured and celebrated. All this is made possible by IntersWitch, transaction solutions you can depend on. We'd also like to thank the Ministry of Education Kenya and UNESCO for supporting the dreams of the African child. Now today we're in for a very good competition. At the end of this race, at the finals, we'll be competing for a winning prize of 1.5 million Kenya shillings in scholarships. Who will make it? We have to proceed from the semi-finals to the finals, but today we are in our 8th preliminary episode and our contestants are very ready to take on the questions. Let's meet them. Joseph?
Yes.
We are in the COVID-19 period. How can you say that this has changed your life?
Educative, to learn how to take care of each other and to take care of yourself. Yeah.
Indeed, that is true. There are a lot of things that we're taking for granted, but right now with all the, washing of hands, keeping, a distance with each other, I think it saved us from a lot.
Yes.
Margaret, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
It's good to have you here. So what can you say you've felt about the competition so far?
It's about speed and accuracy.
That is right. Do you know what you're playing for? What the winner will get?
1.5 million scholarships.
That is correct. Our contestants are ready, and at the end of this season, the winner will go home with a 1.5 million Kenya shilling scholarship, a certificate of participation, and a laptop. The first runners-up will go home with a scholarship worth 750,000 Kenya shillings, and the student in third place will take home a university scholarship worth 150,000 Kenya shillings. There is so much to compete for here in this competition. InterswitchSPAK Kenya is played in 2 levels, the foundation round and the advanced round. To our 6 Super Sparks, you look so lovely on stage. In this round, there will be 12 general science questions. Each question should be answered within 15 seconds. Marks will be awarded, like Margaret said, based on speed and accuracy. The first 3 contestants, and this is what we're all going for, will earn the maximum 10 points when they get the correct answer. Any other student after that will earn 5 points. At the end of this round, only 4 out of the 6 of you will proceed to the advanced round. Who will it be? We're about to find out. You've done very well. This is just the next step. We're now moving on to the foundation round. Here comes question 1. Which of these fungi is motile? Mudroom, yeast, rhizopas or slime mold? Which of these fungi is motile? Is it mudroom, yeast, rhizopas or slime mold? Sebi?
Slime mold.
Yes, that is the correct answer, option D, slime mold. Sebi got it right. All the best to the rest of you in question 2. Which of the following would change the color of a blue litmus paper? Calcium chloride, potassium chloride, hydrogen chloride or sodium chloride? Which of the following would change the color of a blue litmus paper? All the contestants got it right. Let's proceed. This is question 3 of the foundation round. A 15 centimeter notebook was measured as 16.08 centimeters. Determine the error in measurement. Is it 0.8 centimeters? Is it 0.18 centimeters? Is it 1.8 centimeters or 1.08 centimeters? The correct answer is option D. Sebi, Joseph, and Margaret got it right with 10 points. Question 4. In a controlled experiment, the factors that are not constant are called. In a controlled experiment, the factors that are not constant are called covariates, variable false factors, or true factors. The results are in. All the contestants got this right. Correct answer is option B, variables. Proceeding to question 5 of the foundation round of InterswitchSPAK National Science Competition Kenya 2.0. The Bernoulli principle is applied in the following devices except aerofoil, a Bunsen burner, beam balance, or a spray gun. Where isn't the Bernoulli principle applied? And this is how the contestants performed. 3 got it right, 3 did not. We proceed to question 6, the halfway point. Which of this is a lever type of machine? A wedge, a nutcracker, a bottle, or a nail? Which of these is a lever type of machine? A wedge, a nutcracker, a bottle, or a nail? 3 contestants got it right, 3 contestants did not. We are about to proceed with 6 more questions, but before we get to that, let's let the contestants take a breather. We'll be right back.
Penicillin, ethanol, flour, sugar, glue, whiskey, cornstalk, starch, oil, livestock feed, all from corn. You will discover endless opportunities when you search deeper, and to enjoy their full worth, you need an innovative payment solutions partner that creates value from the obvious and sees opportunity in the not so obvious.
IntersWitch. Transaction solutions you can depend on.
Welcome back. This is InterswitchSPAK Kenya 2.0. Here we discover brilliant STEM stars. Today we have 6 on stage. We are now in the advanced round. We've gone with 6 questions. We're about to take on 6 more questions. Let's proceed with the foundation round. Question 7. Which of the following is a radical? Ammonia, ammonium, plutonium, or caesium? Which of the following is a radical? Ammonia, ammonium, plutonium, or caesium? The correct answer is option B. Moving on to question 8. The instrument in the above picture is used for checking. Is it used for checking acid level, salt level, temperature, or blood pressure? The instrument in the above picture is used for checking what? The results are in. This is how the contestants fared. Only Chrysanthus didn't get it right. Next up is question 9 in the foundation round. The 8th term of an AP is 39. If the first term is 4, find its common difference. Is it 4? Is it 6? Is it 5? Is it 3? The 8th term of an AP is 39. If the first term is 4, what is the common difference? The correct answer is C. The common difference is 5. This is how the contestants fared. None of them got it right. All the best in question 10. In the image shown, what value of F will balance the beam? What value of F will balance the beam? Is it 80 newtons, 50 newtons, 200 newtons, or 100 newtons? Joseph got this right and earned himself 10 points. We're now in question 11. How many unpaired electrons are in the atom of the element with the configuration shown? How many unpaired electrons are in the atom of the element with the configuration shown? Is it 2, 3, 4, or 6? Single electrons are unpaired, which means the correct answer is option A, 2. This is how the contestants fared, which brings us to the last question in the foundation round. If the perimeter of the image is 120 centimeters, find x. If the perimeter is 120 centimeters, what is x? One side is x plus 1, the other x plus 2. Is x 42, 41, 40, or 39? In this final question, Chrysanthus and Margaret got this right, earning themselves 10 points. The others got 0 points. We've now come to the end of the foundation round. It's time to find out who makes it to the next round, which is the advanced round, and who goes home at this point. Unfortunately, this means dropping out of the competition at this point. In 5th position with 40 points and in 6th position with 30 points, Chrysanthus and Jonathan, is the end of your SPAK journey. Congratulations for making it this far. I hope you do your best in the next to come. Bridget, I had you let out a sigh. You must be happy to have made it.
Kind of.
You were? How did you find the questions in the foundation round?
They just need the speed.
They just needed speed.
Yes.
Exactly. We'll be moving on to the advanced round after this. Speed will be of importance, and so will accuracy. You're watching InterswitchSPAK Kenya 2.0. We'll be right back.
Penicillin, ethanol, flour, sugar, glue, whiskey, corn silk, starch, oil, livestock feed, all from corn. You will discover endless opportunities when you search deeper, and to enjoy their full worth, you need an innovative payment solutions partner that creates value from the obvious and sees opportunity in the not so obvious.
IntersWitch. Transaction solutions you can depend on.
You are tuned in to InterswitchSPAK Kenya 2.0. Here we discover STEM stars and we celebrate them. All this is made possible by IntersWitch, transaction solutions you can depend on. Our 4 contestants are ready to tackle questions in the advanced round. Here, you get to determine the subject areas. You'll determine 5 subject areas. 10 questions in total will be pulled for you. You will then have 45 seconds to attempt all the 10 questions that have been picked for you. As you're attempting questions, if you cannot provide the answer to that question in that moment, you can say pass. We'll then move on to the next questions and come back to questions you passed or missed as long as it is still within your 45 seconds. I only need 2 of you at the semi-finals. This is a very crucial moment. It gets tougher, and I wish you the best of luck. It is time to take a turn so that we can determine the order of play in the advanced round. The take a turn question for today is a puzzle. On your screens, you'll be required to match correctly items on the left to those on the right. The speed in doing so will determine the sequence of play in this round. Here comes our take a turn question for today. Match each element with the family to which they belong. We have elements as potassium, magnesium, chlorine, and helium in the family, either alkali earth metals, alkali metals, noble gases, halogens. Margaret has been able to determine this. Our contestants are working very hard to solve this puzzle. Margaret was the first. In number 2, we have Bridget, who's also been able to solve this puzzle. We're now waiting on Sebi, Sebastian, and Joseph Ondari, who will be the 3rd person to take a turn. All right, we have our order of play. Our contestants have been able to solve the puzzle. Going first will be Margaret, followed by Bridget, 3rd, Sebi, and 4th, Joseph. Each correct answer will earn you 20 points. I believe you can get to 200 points. Let's see how you'll fare. We're starting with Margaret. Margaret, are you ready?
My name is Margaret Otieno from Kisumu Girls High School. I'm ready to SPAK.
Margaret, now is your time to SPAK. A mixture of kerosene and petrol can be separated by what method?
Fractional distillation.
What type of bonds exist between 2 chlorine atoms in a chlorine molecule?
Covalent.
Any basic hydroxide that is soluble in water is called?
Alkali.
What gas is given off when magnesium reacts with hydrochloric acid?
Hydrogen.
The Republic of Kenya has how many provinces?
8.
What is the top color in a rainbow?
Red.
Which 2 continents make up Eurasia?
Europe and Asia.
Which continent is both called a country and a continent?
Australia.
Which year was Kenya colonized?
1895.
Which planet is the smallest in size?
Mercury.
That's it for Margaret. You've been able to attempt all your 10 questions within 45 seconds. Bridget?
My name is Bridget Osumba from Asumbi Girls, and I'm ready to SPAK.
Bridget, now is your time to SPAK. What is the chemical formula hydrofluoric
Pass.
acid? The bond formed as a result of electron transfer from one atom to
Covalent
another is
bond.
termed as? The ratio of the output force to input force of a machine is termed as?
Pass.
What are magnets that do not lose their magnetism easily?
Pass.
A car traveling at 90 meters per second will cover a distance of 180 in how many seconds?
2 seconds.
Find the power of an engine that can pull a 20 Newton load through 5 meters in 2 seconds.
200.
Solve the inequality x minus 1 less than 2x plus 1.
Pass.
If x ratio y equals 2 is to
Pass.
1, what's the value of? Alright, that is it for Bridget. You've been able to attempt your questions. We are now moving on to the next contestant, Sebi.
Yes, my name is Sebi Sebastian from Vialo Secondary School in Viga County, and I'm ready to spark.
Well, Sebi, now is your time to spark. What is IUPAC name of the compound HF?
Pass.
How many electrons are in the outermost shell of sodium?
Pass.
What is the value of the upper fixed point of a Fahrenheit scale?
Pass.
What is the line from the pole of a curved mirror to the center of curvature called?
Principal axis.
The motile male gamete produced by gametophyte is called?
Pass.
The flora of an area refers to what?
The vegetation.
The official that controls the football match is called?
A referee.
MPEG, MP4, MKV are formats of what type of files?
Pass.
Plants with naked seeds which do not bear flowers are generally termed as?
Perennials.
That is it for Sebi. Congratulations, give it up for him. Joseph, you're the final contestant to attempt the questions in the advanced round. Are you ready?
My name is Joseph Ondari from St. Paul's Gekano. I'm ready to spark.
Joseph, now is your time to spark. What is the turning effect of a force about a point?
Momentum.
What is the work done by a force of 0.5 newtons that moved 100 meters?
50.
The colon and rectum are segments of what intestine?
Small intestine.
What type of cells lack nucleolus, nuclear membrane, and membrane-bound organelle?
Pass.
What term describes the biotic community and its non-living elements?
Ecosystem.
Lobsters belong to which class of arthropoda?
Arachnida.
Find x if x equals 10 into brackets x plus 1.
Let's see. Find x. To be negative 10 over 11.
That is it for Joseph. Please give it up for him. We have completed the advanced round. 4 contestants, 2 spots. Who's going to make it? It's time to find out. When we began this round, I said each correct answer earns you 20 points. There were 10 questions, and I'm very delighted to say that we have a contestant with 200 points, and they have made it to the semi-finals of this competition. Please give it up for Margaret. Congratulations, Margaret. 200 points. That's the first time we're actually seeing a complete clear round with 200 points at the advanced round. See you at the semis of this competition. We just need one more student. We have 3. We have a tie. But before I reveal who has tied, at this point, there's one contestant who is going home. Bridget, it's been good having you on the show. You have what it takes. I believe in you. But at this point, it's the end of your Spark journey. Give it up for her. Based on the results, Sebi, you have 60 points. Joseph, you have 60 points. Only one of you can join Margaret at the semi-finals. To break this tie, we're going now to the sudden end segment. Sebi, Joseph. A question will appear on your screens. The first contestant to the buzzer will have only 5 seconds to attempt the question. If you do get it right, you proceed and join Margaret. If, however, you don't or you don't respond to the answer within 5 seconds, you have dropped out of the race and left your fellow contestant to automatically proceed to the semi-finals. Here comes the sudden end question. What part of the stomach of a ruminant is called the true stomach? Sebastian, you're the first to this. What's the answer?
Small intestines.
Well, Sebastian, unfortunately, that is not the correct answer. The correct answer is the abomasum, which means that at this point, you have left this SPAK journey. And Joseph, you automatically qualify to the semi-finals. Thank you very much, Sebi. I believe in you. All the best in your future endeavors. Joseph, are you happy?
Yes.
Are the questions hard, easy?
Somehow equal.
Equal. All right then. Margaret and Joseph, you have made it to the semi-finals, and it will get tougher in that stage. So all the best to you as you continue preparing. Our two contestants today have shown us that they have what it takes, and only the best can make it in this show. Who will be the next two geniuses to be revealed next week? You're about to find out, but you'll have to join us then. My name is Faith Minor. I'll be waiting for you. Till then, goodbye for now.
InterswitchSPAK is an Interswitch